Hey foodie, let's make this very delicious Nsala soup. The first step is to season our protein. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. I'm using chicken. I added stockfish. Add salt, seasoning cubes and scotch bonnet pepper to your protein. Now cover and allow to boil in its own stock for 2 minutes before you add water. Cover and allow to cook. Halfway into the cooking process, blend some uyayak, uziza seeds and uda together. Add the blended spices, smoked fish, crayfish, more pepper and dried prawns to the pot. Cover and allow to boil. We need to thicken our Nsala soup, and Ayoola Poundo yam works very well for this. All you need to do is add warm water and you're good to go. After 4 minutes, we'll use this mixture to thicken the Nsala soup. We'll allow to boil for 2 minutes. The last thing we're adding is uziza leaves. I will be enjoying this delicious soup with Ayoola Poundo yam. Ayoola Poundo yam has the aroma of a freshly pounded yam. It is very rich in vitamin, mineral and fiber. Do you know it takes just 5 minutes to prepare it? And it has no iota of preservatives in it. Ayoola Poundo yam comes in different sizes. You can get it at the supermarket or at your local market. I really enjoyed this. You need to give it a try.